Hello there, mathletes. Welcome back to Math Jamboree. In this video, we have another AP Precalculus type of a question from the topic of exponential functions. Let's solve it together. The exponential function f is defined by f of x equals a times b to the power of x, where a and b are positive constants. The table gives values of f of x at selected values of x. Which of the following statement is true? X's are 0 through 4, and f of x are 3 through 1.152. So this function is given. So we will just substitute the given values. We will substitute 0 for x and we'll get 3 for y. So f0 is a times b to the power of 0 gives you 3. So b to the power of 0 is 1. So a times 1 is 3. That gives us a as 3. We just found the value of a. To find the value of b, I'm going to use second data. So f1 is equals to a times b to the power of. Since we found the value of a as 3, I will use that. B to the power of 1 is equals to 2.4. So to get the value of b, we will divide both sides by 3. Because this is 3b. So b will be equals to 0.8. So the value of b is 0.8, which is between 0 and 1. So b and c cannot be the answer. The answer is either a or d. To determine that, the only differences between them is decay and the growth. Decay means goes down the value, and the growth means the y values are increasing as x's are increasing. So as x values are going up, right? If we will say 0 to 4, this time the up is in the bottom section anyway. The y values are going the opposite direction because these are increasing. The y values are decreasing, as you're saying. They started from 3, but they went down to 1.152. Therefore, this is a decay function. The correct answer is choice A. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you have questions or comments, you can always leave it below there. Thank you and see you next time. Bye-bye.